She wants pets. Yes, my love. I have to shower her. She's very smelly, this girl. She wants pets. Oh. Oh, this girl, this beautiful girl. You cannot come out, my love. Oh, you're so gorgeous. I'm sorry you're going through this, my love. But it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Oh. Come, let me change your wee pad, okay? Yes. Yes, you sure. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna shower you as soon as you're feeling better. Oh, Maggie. Maggie. Let me put a wee pad, okay? You ate good today. Uh-oh. Oh, I know, mi vida.